Transit of Jupiter in 11th house from your moon sign 5th April 2021 till 14th of September 2021. Aries, during this particular period, Jupiter will be transiting to your 11th house from your moon sign. This signifies good timing. During this time, you may expect a promotion at the workplace, gain in trade, even in position of higher authority in your professional life. This could also prove to be socially very good timing for you. Your status in the society is likely to be heightened. Your splendor and physical presence will also be noticed, sought after during this particular time. Aries, you may even expect gains from your friends, from your dear people. This particular time, Aries, would help you to see your enemies mellow down and defeated. Your interest in religion or religious practice or religious activities will be risen. You could be benefited by power of chanting, mantras, spiritual exercises, meditation. If eligible, you may consider marriage as a proposal. And if you're already married, you may expect a new family member, baby. Some of you may also get romantically involved with members. Companionship will be there, love will be in the air. Aries, finances would be good, and most of you would consider buying a land, property, jewelry, luxuries, lifestyle, new vehicle, new car, acquiring material comfort in this time. You'd also be enjoying sound health, peaceful mind. Jupiter in 11th house at this time, your hopes, your ideals, your wishes for the future play an important role in your life. Your friends may be a considerable benefit to you by now. You'll become more and more involved in group activities to understand the importance of groups' goals and values to you as an individual person. This is not a time when you should try to go it alone, nor should you should limit yourself to working with one person or other person. You need to be with many people. Aries, through working and dealing with people, with them, you will learn a great deal about yourself. Friends will be more than usually supportive. You may make many new friends, new contact, networking, who will be proved to be extremely valuable as time goes on. But this will not be the one-way street. For you to will help all them also. At this time in your life, Aries, you will be more than usually idealistic, will want to improve the world around you in every possible way. If your perspective is relatively broad, you will want to translate this desire into broad social reform, or at least make changes that will affect both you and friends. Lacking such perspective, you may work only to improve your personal situation in accordance with what you always wanted. However, this is not a time to be selfish or self-centered. The nature of this house in 11th house is such that if the improvement in your life do not affect others, the change will not be as meaningful or long-lasting. Whatever you put out will come back in an even greater quality, greater quantity, more volume. So, Aries, whenever you will face any of the problems, complications, planetary occupations, number one, on your own, feeling very lonely. Two, receiving bad news left, right, and center. Deep hurt or depression. Financial losses, professional complications. Sixth house is occupied by the planet. First house is occupied by moon in the moon chart. Second house, whenever second house is occupied by moon, or sixth house is occupied by Mercury, that's not a good position. If the Jupiter want to give its good effect, the Jupiter can be utilized by that. Third house is occupied by Mars or Mercury. But Mercury, if third house is occupied by Mars, okay. But Mercury, third house is occupied by Mercury, is not okay for Jupiter's good effect. The task you must do. Task number one, please do donate money towards someone's cremation. It's a very important task. If you can't do that, do donate money toward the cremation ground. Task number two, do wear a copper bangle in your right hand. You must do that. Task number three, please refrain from non-vegetarian food and alcohol. Task number four, please do donate money to the crematorium. That's a very important task. But if you can find anybody that you can donate money towards somebody's cremation, that is the best task you can do for your life. Please. Transit of Jupiter in 10th house, again from your moon sign Aries, 14 September 2021 till 20th of November 2021. This brings some disturbances into the rhythm of your life, in your routine. Aries, you may develop some negative thinking and feeling of wretchedness during this particular time. Some unfulfilled desires will make you irritable as well. Sometimes you can be very annoyed or disappointed with the situation you are in. Avoid wondering about. Avoid wasting time, as you're most likely to be disappointed during this particular phase, particular time. This is a time when you may need to consciously avoid arguments with your colleagues, with your seniors, at home with your partner and family members. Aries, if you will not be careful, and if you won't be careful, then there is a chance that you might lose your position. Honor could even be transferred to a distant places. You have to be careful regarding your conduct, regarding your dealing. Stop blaming people around you, please. Take care of your finances, keep them at the much safer place during this particular period. Your health and your children would require your attention if you are a married person. Take care of your eyesight. Take care of your throat. This is a time when you may need to maintain an absolutely healthy lifestyle toward a feeling of tiredness. Be careful enough not to endanger your family's life with your negligence, especially during this particular time and phase. Jupiter in 10th house, during this particular transit, your attention will turn toward your profession, career, social status, reputation. It's a time when you will try very hard to move ahead in any or all of these areas, and any reasonable effort should result in considerable progress. For most people, this is a time of getting ahead. But you should observe several cautions. You have to adopt a caution. First of all, it's very important to avoid being overbearing, domineering, and arrogant. This must have to be exercised. Some people have trouble with superiors at this time because this transit can indicate an inflated ego. Sometimes ego is quite important. Wherever they go, they invest ego every day, everywhere. And if you're putting ego in everything, then you will ruin everything. That's the gospel truth. Refrain from investing ego. Oh, every time people ask you a question, you're making the question of, it's always become a question of your prestige. Don't do that. Go with the flow. This is a time, think you are much more than you are without anything to back it up. Thinking, positive thinking, humble thinking, humility you should practice, then your problem will be less. If you start thinking that you are truly significant or very special, and sit down for God's sake and review your real accomplishment to see if they usually justify your feeling. Please. Only ego, only pride, only honor will not take you further. You need a coordination. You need a joint effort. But on your own, that won't be possible. You need other people's cooperation, support, and guidance and help. But even if they do, be careful not to behave in a way that will cause others to resent you, even work against you. When this transit is over, please be careful. However, this is not the general problem, for most people have been taught to underrate their achievement. In this case, especially when the Jupiter is transiting in the 10th house, this transit is likely to signify recognition for what you have accomplished. You can expect a promotion at work, recognition, or the esteem of your contemporaries during this particular time. As longer you don't fall into a trap describing above. You will also feel more confident about this. Maybe one of the few times in your life when you are really in yourself. Nobody complaining about it, but don't be trapped into any kind of situation like that. You should only take those responsibilities which you can deliver, not overburden with things around you. Please don't avoid that sort of thing. You may also experience other effects of this transit. For example, you may have to travel in connection with your work out of your comfort zone. Sometimes you'll be running around. You may have to increase dealing with foreign people or people from the different culture, different backgrounds. It's also possible that you may change to a field of work that pertain to the nature of Jupiter. It might possible you might change the place of work. Yes, that can be possibility. These fields include like a spirituality, consultant work, medicine or healing, or law or legal system or higher education or teaching or consultant work or traveling. In this case, you should not expect the same recognition that you would if you stayed in your established line of work. Situation can be different. But whenever you face any of these problems, may I say that during the transit of Jupiter, number one, too much struggle. Number two, lack of success, lack of prosperity. Number three, family relationship conflicts, family relationship rows. 4, financial losses. 5, fifth house is occupied by any other planet. Fourth house is occupied by moon, or first, fourth, or 10th house is occupied by Saturn, and second house is empty. If these are the scenarios in the moon chart, third or the fifth house is occupied by Sun, or fifth house is occupied by Saturn. If these are the scenarios, then please do these tasks. Number one, when the Jupiter is transiting in the 10th house, please flow 4 kilogram good in the fastest flowing river. You can repeat it once, you can repeat it 4 times, you can repeat it 10 times. The day should be Sunday. Task number 2, to donate 10 kilogram basmati rice to temple in the langar. 1 Monday or 2 Monday, choice is yours. Task number 3, do donate money and food to the blind school. So these are the tasks you must do to rectify the position of Jupiter. By that way, these tasks will help you to achieve the best out of Jupiter when the Jupiter is transiting in your 10th house.